Okay, what it do? What it do? What it do? All right, so I didn't trade this morning, right? Because the price action on these indices was looking so fucking trash. So I had to wait to the afternoon session after FOMC. As you can see right now, FOMC going on, and I think we got another one, FOMC press conference at 1:30. So I will be waiting after that. Right now, FOMC is reacting off this 4 hour gap that I got marked up. So yeah, to be honest, I think we're gonna sweep these equal lows that's right here. That is right here. The fudge. It's right here. So I'm just kind of waiting on FOMC at 1:30. This press conference. FOMC. I don't give a fuck about what Trump talking about. Um, and it's kind of low impact news. Even though when he talked, motherfucking market move like crazy, but I just don't think he'll have too much effect just because FOMC did come out. So right now I'm just waiting to see what's going on. I might take a trade, I might not. Let's just see how everything play out today. Okay, I see we reacting up this gap. Let me go to NAS 100 really quick. NAS 100. It's kind of pushing up, kind of pushing down. So just wait for just a little bit. See what's going on. I think we want to go up with NAS, but with US30, I think we're gonna go down just to simplify because it's a fair value gap here on the 4 hour. As we make SMTs, kind of is about to stretch this line here. Boom. But like I said, we gotta wait till 1:30 after that second FOMC come out to actually take a trade because I don't know how that's gonna react. To be honest, it didn't make a heavy price action move, so we gotta wait a little bit. It might do it at 1:30, so let's just wait, and hopefully we can sweep these lows. These lows right here. It might take a little bit. I might even close early. Might not even wait till we sweep here because I don't like being in trades that long anyway. But it all depends. It all depends. Okay. And then also on the 15 minute, I deleted it, but this fair value gap is still holding. This fair value gap here is still holding. I've been holding all week. So that's why I'm looking for sales. Let's see if we can get a sweep here also. Actually, I can use this one. See if we get a sweep here first and then push down. Because on the 15, as you can see, we still got a little bit of this fair value gap here that need to be filled. So hopefully we can sweep up here, create a fair value gap on the 1 minute, and then push down. So let's see what happens here. It's all a waiting game today. Let's look at SPX. Go to hour first. Okay, hour. Okay, this is still holding on. We might go through it. We might go through this hour bearish fair value gap. It's still holding, but we did also make an SMT. But let me see something. Okay, we swept London lows. So we swept here, London lows. But we still holding this bearish fair value gap. Only way I'll look for buys is if we break this bearish fair value gap. But if we don't break it to the upside, this will be the target. And if we do break it to the upside, I'll use this as a SMT. And now I have to take it up here. But to be honest, I don't think that's gonna be the case. We just gotta see, man. Gotta wait until after 1:30. And to be honest, I'm not even looking forward to trading SPX. I'm looking forward to trading US30. So hopefully we possibly could sweep up here. But if we don't, that's fine. It's all just a waiting game. But man, it's the second episode of Road to $1 Million. But yeah, I think we can wait. Yeah, I think we can go push down and most likely sweep these lows right here. I'm gonna be trading on both of my, well, all 5 of my accounts. One that's funded, and then 4 that's some combines. We had to take a L on the first video, on the first episode. Let's see if we can come back, get this money, man. Get this money. Shit. But yeah, let's see what's going on. Yeah, let's see what's going on, man. Like price action, to be honest, we just been going back and forth in this gap. And to be honest, another thing, today kind of cooked up. And I was looking at that. I'm like, damn, I could have traded this morning. Like, boom, we got the sweep. And we got the fair value gap here. Got my stop above here. TP down here. Would have been about a 3 to 4 risk reward. Because to be honest, I'm looking more for sales. I'm not looking for buys really. Because I do think we might sweep here. Or if not, at least come here. Like at least come somewhere around this area. I think we can. I'm pretty sure we can do that. And I usually don't trade afternoon sessions. I only trade afternoon sessions on FOMC days. Because I don't like how the price action is in the morning. Like if you look at NAS 100, this was fucked up. Look at this. This was just like, it's tragic. This whole thing is just tragic. Look at this. This is fucked up price action. I go to SPX, I see the same goddamn thing. Fucked up price action. Right here. All this is this morning. Just fucked up. So I don't trade in the morning on FOMCs. And it actually shocked me that I got a fucking trade on US30 this morning. Because I thought it was gonna be fucked up like everything else. But to be honest, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad at all. But I think I'll get a better trade in this afternoon session. And I'm trying to see where I can take profit, like a major liquidity level I can take profit from, besides that level that I just marked out. So, see some lower time frame liquidity. Yeah, here, possibly. Here. That wouldn't be bad. Okay, we're making a gap here. If anything, I might take it before, but I can't on my funded because I can't trade news on my funded account. So if anything, I'll probably do if I do trade before that news event, I have to take it on my Top Step X account. When I'm trying to get funded. So Even now, Nas is looking stank. Like it's looking so ass. Like it fucked up, bro. Like yeah, fuck Nas right now. I don't even want to look at Nas right now. SPX, SPX looking alright. SPX looking better than and look, that's a good. I actually like that take profit right here this hour. We possibly can get there. We possibly can get there. Because we did just sweep these equal lows. What was that, Tuesday? So I think we can get here. I think we can get here for sure. And right here, these kind of, I'll probably not take that one, but I'll take this one, this liquidity level for take profit. Um, do this real quick. That'll be a nice take profit level. Okay, SPX and US 30 looking pretty good. So it's either one of those two I'm gonna be trading. But I really do want to wait to that 130 news candle because I don't know. Let me refresh it real quick. Cause I don't know how that's gonna react. So I gotta possibly wait, and then I gotta wait 5 minutes after. Well, probably on Top Step X I don't, but on my Funded I have to wait 5 minutes after to actually place a trade. I can't trade 5 minutes before or 5 minutes after. So I gotta wait 6 minutes to execute a trade on my top one account, Funded account. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we got some gaps on the three. Look, it's a gap right here on the 3 minute. Went to that gap, drop. 2 minute, not really gaps. 4 minute. So on the 3 minute, that's what it meant, kind of fire. But this is exactly when the news actually opened. Okay, we got about 10 minutes into the second FOMC open, so see what happens. We about to go into this gap. Let's see how we react. Oh, we ain't even going to snaps. Let's see what gold doing. I missed this trade on gold. I would have took this on my Hanko X account. Should drag this over here. I would have took it on my Hanko X. I'm actually up on this account. How much we up? Up like 115 on this account. I had put like 300 in. So I usually trade gold and any forex pairs. And yeah, that's a live account too. So yeah, live account. I don't like trading indices on there. I'd rather use futures for my funded accounts. Telling you, don't that look like a bomb ass TP? Shit looks bomb. Notice that this gap just stayed open. And sometimes, like when it's big news events, it'll literally go to this gap and then just reverse. Like right when news come out, it'll literally like it did. It just did it. On this 3 minute. Look, this news candle went right into the gap and then we went lower. So it might do that. Who knows? Or like I said, it might sweep up here. To be honest, yep. And like I said, it might just sweep up here. And then we can look for our fair value gap and then go lower. But if we inverse it completely, then the bias is not there. But honestly, I do think we can go lower, man. Okay, 5 minutes to that other news candle come up. Inverse this is the trade invalid. But like I was saying, it's still a little piece right here. Let me just put it up here. For the 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, that's actually cool. Let's put that on there. Shit, that's nice. But also, I'm looking at this. We is kind of inversing this fair value gap here. But yeah, I just want to see how we react after we sweep. Mm. Oh. Hmm. It's 10 minute. Wow, look at that. Hmm. It's actually interesting. Oh, yeah, we might actually push down. I like that 2 minute. Very fair value gap. If we can tag into this, if it stay, yeah, if it make a gap, yeah. Most definitely looking for sales. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful, actually. Get ready. Oh, it's running away from me. Okay, 3 minute looking. Let me just see how this act. Damn, that motherfucker just going. Yeah, it's just pushing. All I need is just a pull back in this area, then we getting in for the sale. But damn, it's just leaving. Okay. Well, if this 1 minute right here. Yeah, that mug just gone, man. And I don't want to chase it. I took a sale.
Order filled.
Yeah, I took a sale. I think it's a pretty good sale too. now I'm losing. I still don't think it's a bad entry though, but let me go here. Yeah, right now I'm losing about 120. It's not looking too good though. I probably should have waited just a little bit until I got into that 3 minute gap. I'm still in the trade though. This is how it's looking right now. Still in this trade. Hopefully we can go down right now. Okay, we looking all right now. See if we could just pass here. If we can pass here, then we fire. Then that'll be fire if we could just pass. Look like we is. Right now, about $90. See if we can continue this momentum. Okay, we pushing now. Oh wow. We pushing now. Okay, I'm up. Oh, oh, that's nice.
Order filled.
All right, done for the day. W's, W's, W's. That's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you fucking do it. Okay, let's go. Let me show you guys what we made today. I think I made what? Let's refresh that. 355. Could have held that. And then I made 596 on the combine couch. So WWW. Let's get it, man. Afternoon session. I knew that motherfucker was gonna cook up. I ain't gonna lie, I think with the execution, to be honest, it wasn't the best execution. Because to be honest, I did have this was my stop. But when I was looking on the 3 minute, I'm like, okay, we going into this gap. We going into this gap right here. And I was looking at that on my other monitor, and I'm like, okay, let me just hold it out. If it run through this gap, then I would have got out. But that was actually a W fucking day, bro. And thank y'all for watching this video. Wait, let me show y'all on the Top Step X. My bad. Show you on the Top Step X. 596 across 4 accounts. So again, thank y'all for watching this video. Episode 2 on how on making a million trading. Let's see if I can do it.